Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cute background on a VivaVideo. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, in here you can add the video that you want to edit. And now if you wanna add a cute background on a VivaVideo, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the all effect at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the style and swipe until you can see cute. This one you can click on it, and then in here you can see many background cute. In here you can see 1 until 5 a background cute. You can choose the background that you want. In here I try to add background cute one, and then this is a background cute 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, and then this is a 5. And I wanna add a background cute 4, so you just click on the 4 and then click done in here and finish. So that's how to add cute background on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.